Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. I want to show you guys how to make mom's lemonade, and sometimes mom would spice up the lemonade with some fruit syrup that she made. And I just did a recent video on how to make fruit syrup with just sugar and strawberries sitting on the counter, and this would be one of the things that mom would make when there was leftover berries, and we would use it on all kinds of different things. We would use it to make lemonade, we would use it to make other drinks, we could put it on biscuits, we could put it on pancakes, on ice cream, whatever. But lemonade was one of those things that mom made quite a bit, and I am a firm believer of keeping bottled lemon juice in your preps. It has so many different uses, from simple like making lemonade here to even more complicated, to use it to make cheese. There's a lot of things you can do with bottled lemon juice. And when we were kids, mom would mix all that stuff up, put it in a mason jar, and we would shake it up until it was the sugar was all dissolved, and then we would have it, of course, in mom's favorite glasses. She would always use these glasses. They were basically jam and jelly would come in these glasses, but then afterward you'd use it as a cup, and mom would use these for lemonade, iced tea, hot tea, all different kinds of things. But I'm going to show you guys how to make this here, and we're going to start with a half a cup of sugar. And we don't really need a lot of sugar in this. Half a cup is going to be plenty, because there's sugar in the strawberry syrup here, and I'll put a link in the description for the strawberry syrup as well, so you guys can see how we make that. And that is an old-time preservation technique, because sugar is actually a preserving agent. Now we're going to use a half a cup of our bottled lemon juice. Like I said, one of those excellent preps. Pour that in there. And of course, you can adjust this recipe to your own personal taste, however you want it. And then we're going to add some of our strawberry syrup, and the strawberry syrup absolutely smells amazing. And this has a sort of a strawberry Kool-Aid type taste. We're going to add that in there. Now we're going to top this off with water. So you can see the the marks that we got on here. Half cup sugar, half a cup of lemon juice, and a half a cup of our strawberry syrup. And again, this is something like if you're using some kind of filtered or bottled water, or some kind of water that is less than good tasting, this will kind of mask poor tasting water too. And then we just give this a good old shake. And you can adjust the sugar in this. You can adjust the strawberry, you can adjust the lemon, however you want it. And then, after a hard day's work, if you want to make yourself a cocktail, you can put a shot of Tito's in this, or whatever. But you basically just shake this until everything is dissolved. It's one of those things that is just ridiculously simple to make. And take a little ice if you have it. Fill that guy up. And then have a taste. I don't know which you can taste more, the lemonade, or the lemon juice, or the strawberry. And you can adjust it however you want. If you want more of a strawberry taste, you add more strawberry syrup. If you want it more lemonade-like, you add another quarter cup of the concentrated lemon juice. But this stuff right here, this is old-time summer right here, but it has a lot of prepper applications, for masking the taste of, bad-tasting water, preserving berries when you wouldn't necessarily have them. You can put this strawberry syrup up, and it keeps for a long time. And you just use basic sugar and basic bottled lemon juice. But anyway, this is Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there, just sharing one of these old time recipes for you guys that I think has modern day prepping applications. But I appreciate you guys. You guys have a good one.